family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. Welcome. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, this is something a little bit different from my regular DIY. I'm actually going to be pre-pooing my hair and also trying to detangle this hair that is now changing into dreadlocks. So after my birthday, which was November 24th, I did a twist for my birthday, and then 3 days later I just threw my hair into this bun, so it been in this bun for probably a week now. That is something which I don't normally do, but I just been a little bit tired, lazy to do my hair. I know sometimes we are that happening to us, so that's what happened. But I'm going to put that one in today because I'm going to pre-poo my hair and then also try to see how best I can get my hair back from this dreadlock state. Yeah. So what I'm going to be doing today, okay, let me just tell you a little bit about pre-poo if you are someone who pretty new to the natural hair movement. Pre-poo is just a little treatment that you give your hair before going in with shampoo. If you are someone who uses a store-bought shampoo, it can be very harsh on your hair at times. But I normally make my own DIY homemade shampoo, which is all natural and is very good. But my head is very tangled because for how long I left it in this bun. So I just want to go in, I just want to do the pre-poo before going in with my shampoo. Now I also love to do pre-poo because it cut my detangling time down in the shower. It really do cut it down, and then it also helped me to eliminate breakage, which is very good. So by the time I'm done with my pre-poo and the next step, which is my shampoo, my hair is already very soft, very moisturized, and my shampoo routine is just like this. And then I also benefit from the treatment. So if you are someone who having dry hair all the time, and you want to eliminate breakage and your hair is thinning, this is something that you should do so that you can be able to keep your hair healthy. You can be able to once your hair is moisturized, it's going to be hard for it to break because every tangles you already have gotten most of it out with your pre-poo treatment, and overall it's also very good for your hair health. So for my pre-poo routine, some products, that's alright, sorry guys. So let me just show you guys all what I'm going to be using in my pre-poo routine. This is my mixture. It's a mixture of potato juice and fenugreek seed. And then I have my DIY growth oil here, and then I mix it with all the oil. So let me just show you that now. And then I have my scalp massager, and then I also have my steamer down here, which I'm also going to be using. Since this hair is very tangled up, I'm going to first of all take this down. Wow, I can feel my hair is really dry. I should not have left it this long. Okay, now before I go further to do anything else, I'm just going to spray a lot of this on my hair so that I can loosen up the tangles a bit. And this smells very great because I also added in sweet orange essential oil, and then a little bit of rosemary essential oil. So it smells really, really good. This is why I don't like my hair to get so tangled up before doing things with it, because it's a whole project on its own to detangle it. It's a really whole project. But since I know how to use my fingers, even though my hair is very tangled up, but by the time I see that I have very, very little shedding. So that's one thing that you need to try if you are someone who don't know how to finger detangle. You can just take your time and try learning it, because it will really save your hair. Okay, I'm now just going to put it into smaller sections. And then clip it down, and also do the same with. I'm now just going to take this section by section. I dropped my oil. And I'm going to break this into smaller sections, soft sections. More clips. Okay, now this is where it starts, the real detangling start. I'm gonna carefully spray this on my roots and my hair. Make sure it's well saturated in. You see, all those tangles have just, my dreadlock is no more a dreadlock. Now that I have it to that point, I'm gonna go in with a little bit oil. And then I'm gonna put this oil on my scalp also. And now I'm gonna go in and scratch my hair. I know we naturals, they say it's not good to use your nails to massage your hair. But I read an article recently from a beautician who is very old, during the that's something about 30 years ago. She said that they were trained to use their nails to massage their scalp, because they're where you really get the blood flow. And but you just have to be careful that you don't have any cracks in your nails. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my nails and just scratch. Do not scratch so hard to hurt yourself, but scratch until you can feel your scalp. Okay, now that I got that, I'm now going to take some more oil and apply it on my hair. See, so this is like a whole treatment by itself for your hair, which is very good. I'm now going to start finger detangling little by little. You just put your hand in it, this. If you cannot see from the back, let me turn maybe your speed. So I went down like this to move the tangles. I'm now gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna just try gliding my fingers through it until I can't feel any knots. Okay, now this whole section is now finger to tangle. Okay, I'm just going to put this into a very big twist, so by the time I come back to it, it's still to tangle, because I don't want it to wrap around again. Okay, so I am done detangling my hair. My hair feels so soft right now. This last part is optional. You don't have to do it. But I just love to go in with my steamer for me to open up my cuticles. And the heat can also help to make my hair very soft, especially if you are low porosity, because you guys cuticles are closed. So if you use the heat, it can help open up your cuticles. And that's just a tip for low porosity. But for high porosity, our cuticles are already open, so that's why it's easy for moisture to go in and also for moisture to come out easily. But I just love to go in with the heat. It's just a sure that I love to do. So after that, and then I will cover my hair with a plastic bag. And then I normally do my pre-poo treatment the day before my wash day, like the evening before my wash day. And then sometimes if I just decide to wash my hair that day, I would do it and then leave my pre-poo on anywhere between 20 to 35 minutes. And then I would go in with my moisturizing shampoo. So this is what I do for me to keep my hair healthy, for me to eliminate breakage and to also give myself a little treatment before going in with my shampoo. And if you are new to natural hair, and this is something that I will encourage you to do, especially if you are just learning how to manage your hair. And if your hair gets tangled very easily, I will encourage you to go in with a pre-poo treatment before going in the shower to do your shampoo. Okay, so this is the end of the video for today. But before I leave, I want you to please meet my friend Jackie Naturals. She's also on YouTube. She have her YouTube channel. I love her channel, so I'm pretty sure you will also love it. She have low porosity hair, and she also do a little bit of hair video, unboxing video, and I'm learning a lot from her when it comes to makeup and so can you please check her channel out, let her introduce herself, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Hey guys, I'm Jackie and my channel is Jackie Naturals. On my channel, I do product reviews for natural hair along with makeup and skincare. Also, I do subscription box unboxings, wear tests, and try-ons. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but just a girl who loves makeup and all things natural hair. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to check out my channel, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.